Good morning everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lal Bagh Girls Inter College Lucknow. Children, I am Shalini Mehrotra. Today in English grammar we will study about the adjectives and its types. Adjectives, its types and the comparisons. Adjectives gives us information about a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives are those words which gives the information about the noun. Noun we have already studied the name of a person, place, and a pronoun, the words which are used instead of a noun. They gives the information about these two, noun and pronoun. Generally an adjective is placed before a noun, but sometimes it is also placed after a noun. Generally the adjectives are placed before the noun or a pronoun. For example, the building is tall. The adjective is placed after the noun building. And this is a tall building. Here the adjective is placed before the noun. The girl is nice. It is after the noun. The adjective nice is after the noun. It is telling something about the girl. She is a nice girl. Here the adjective is placed before the noun girl. Now kinds of adjectives. Adjective of quality. It shows or describes the quality of a person. It shows the quality of a noun or a pronoun. That is, it shows the answers. It gives you the answers. What kind? For example, Suman is a beautiful woman. This adjective beautiful is telling something about Suman. What kind of Suman is? She is a beautiful. Beautiful is the adjective telling about Suman. Calcutta is a big city. Big is again the adjective of quality. It is saying the quality of Calcutta. It is big. Second is adjective of quantity. It shows the quantity of a thing. It is giving you the quantity. It is telling you the quantity of a noun. For example, there is a little milk in the glass. Little is telling something about the noun milk. That is, it is little, quantity. Some rice is in the bowl. It is telling the quantity of rice. It is some rice is in the bowl. Now third is adjective of number. It is about the noun number, or it answers how many. It is telling you the number. The name is saying there are 3 apples on the plate. Number of apples, it is saying the number 3, saying about the apples. Adjective of number, now it can be classified again into 4 types. Cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers, indefinite adjectives and distributive adjectives. Cardinal are those that gives you the exact number, that is 3, 4, 5. Exact number are the cardinal. Ordinal numbers are like the ranking in the class. First, second, third. These are the ordinal adjectives. Indefinite adjectives like some, many, any. Distributive refers to each number. It is telling about each and every. It is referring to everything. Each student. It is telling about each. It is telling about specific. It is distributing. Neither child. Number 4 is demonstrative adjective. It points to some person or thing and answers to which. It is saying, it is giving you the answers which. I don't like that boy. So this is giving you the answers about that boy. So it is telling you which boy? That boy. Adjective is saying something about the noun boy. That. Interrogative adjective. It is used to ask the question, as the name is saying, interrogative. How many children are there? So this is asking a question. How? Which book you want to read? It is asking about, telling about the noun book. And which is saying the interrogative. It is giving you the question mark. So this is the interrogative adjective. Possessive adjective shows the possession, or it answers whose. It is giving you the possession. For example, that is my house. That house belongs to me. It is showing the possession. She is talking to her mother. She is talking to her mother, showing the possession of mother. Mother belongs to her. 7th is distributive adjective. It refers to all the persons of a group individually. individually when we are saying about somebody, some noun, it is distributive adjective. For example, every boy will be punished. It is saying about each and every boy. Every boy will be punished. Individually, they are talking about every boy. Each one of you show the work. Proper adjective derived from the proper noun. It is, the name is saying proper. Indian Army. The Indian is derived from India. Indian Army. It is the proper adjective. And number 9 is emphasizing adjectives. They show very strong feelings. Complete nonsense. These adjectives, they show the feelings, complete feelings. So they are called emphasizing adjectives. Sheer wastage of time. Sheer, it is emphasizing on the wastage of time. We can form adjectives from adjectives. Nouns from nouns. For example, wind. From the noun wind, we can make the adjective windy. From the verb talk, we can make the adjective talkative. From other adjectives like red is an adjective, we can make the other adjective reddish. Adjectives of quality has 3 degrees. The adjective of quality, as we have already discussed, it has 3 degrees. Positive, it has no comparison. We can make no comparison in positive. This house is big. There is no comparison between other. Comparative, 2 things are compared in this. And again the 3rd degree is superlative. More than 2 persons or things are compared. That is the superlative degree. This is the biggest house when we are comparing too many things and we are getting the biggest one. That is called the superlative degree of the adjective. So this is the superlative degree of the adjective. So children, I hope you have understood the adjectives and its types. Go through the video and understand it, children. Have a good day. Goodbye.